Top 5 Best Classical Guitar for Beginners. Number 5. Ibanez GA3. The GA3 is Ibanez's foray in the entry-level classical guitar market, but its superb sound and unique design make it a strong start. Key features: spruce wood top, agathis for the back and sides, full-sized guitar, truss rod installed, lightweight design. What we like: the GA3 stands as a serious contender to Yamaha's dominance on beginner guitars. Cost-wise, they're neck to neck. The GA3 is one of the most affordable guitars you can buy anywhere. The body is a full-sized traditional design that's easy to play. The low action and fast necks Ibanez is known for is present in the GA3. This aspect makes for minimal buzz, even for a complete novice player. Overall construction is solid and feels it will last you a long time. The sound quality is excellent as well, thanks to the spruce and agathis wood combo. It's melodic with that familiar classical feel. This guitar also needs no tuning at all. It sounds great right out of the box, and if you ever need to adjust, it has truss rods installed, a definite advantage over the C40. What we didn't like: in our opinion, the sound quality is decent, but we like the fuller range of the C40. Pros: very easy to play for beginners. The included truss rod makes adjusting possible. Lightweight and easy to handle. Cons: sound quality slightly lower than the C40. The Ibanez GA3 is an equally great alternative to the C40 with decent sound and craftsmanship. The added truss rod is a definite advantage. Coming in number 4. Cordoba C3M. The C3M is an entry-level offering and a classic example of a Spanish guitar. Visually, the C3M is a treat. Key features: cedar solid wood top, rosewood bridge and fingerboard, natural satin finish, full-sized 650mm length guitar, Savarez crystal corum strings. What we like: the craftsmanship is overall exceptional here. Everything from the beautiful mahogany sides to the hand-laid rosette is well constructed. The gorgeous satin finish really adds to the Spanish charm of this Cordoba. Sound-wise, the C3M offers a fuller and warmer note than comparable entry levels like the C40 or the GA3. The tonal range of this guitar is commendable. The solid wood top is a welcome change from the laminates of other beginner models. It makes the sustain last longer, and the resonance more projected. The C3M is, in fact, one of the most resonant entry-level guitars we've tried. What we didn't like: the neck is slightly bigger and may not be for people with smaller hands. Pros: one of the more resonant guitars in its class. Very affordable price. A deep rich sound that's unique among beginner guitars. Cons: might not be comfortable for those with smaller hands. The Cordoba C3M offers a rich-sounding beginner guitar at a fantastic price. It's a lightweight and playable guitar that covers all the basics. Coming in number 3. Yamaha C42. Alright, this is the third Yamaha, and the last one, I promise. I've included all of these Yamahas because I believe that they are a great choice for every beginner. They all differ in some characteristics, so you should analyze each one of them and see which one you prefer the most. I guarantee, whatever you choose you won't make a mistake. Features: body, Meranti, laminate, with spruce top, laminate. Fingerboard, rosewood. Neck, NATO. This guitar usually comes in a package, so you'll also get a gig bag, tuner, and DVD with lessons. Basically, all of the things you need to begin playing. Although Meranti is not a very popular wood for guitars, this is actually a very strong wood which makes this guitar perfect for carrying around. As the majority of classical guitars, this one is very easy to play. The nylon strings don't have a lot of tension, so you can play it very gently. There is no need to press the strings too hard, which is perfect for the beginner's fingers. The sound is decent, and will definitely serve the purpose. It seems that it is a little muted and doesn't have a very good projection. However, remember that this is a $140 guitar. For that amount of money you should be more than satisfied with it. More than usable guitar with a decent sound. This is a perfect choice for any beginner who is into classical guitars. Although this guitar has a few shortcomings, you should be fair and don't forget its more than generous price. For that amount of money, this is a great deal. Pros: very cheap. Playable. Cons: made of laminate. A muted sound. Coming in number 2. Yamaha CGS102A. Although Yamaha makes a lot of other instruments, classical guitars are one of their most popular products. Yamaha guitars are excellent, which is why they usually cost a few $1,000s. However, this company also makes more affordable guitars for beginners. Even though they are cheaper, these guitars are designed by the experts, so they are among the best beginner classical guitars on the market. Features: body, NATO with spruce top. Fingerboard, rosewood. Neck, NATO. As you can see, from now on, we are reviewing guitars that are under $200. This is both the good and the bad thing. On one hand, you'll save some money, however, you can't really expect the best quality. Unlike the previous Yamaha, this one doesn't have solid top. It has a laminate top and laminate body. Of course, you can consider this as a shortcoming, but having in mind its low price, it's not really a surprise. The sound is pretty decent, you can hear the guitar loud and clear. There aren't any fret buzz and similar flaws. You shouldn't really expect too much from this guitar, considering its laminate top and low price. However, remember that you need something to practice on, not a guitar to play a concert. Like the majority of classical guitars, this one is also easy to play, very comfortable and smooth neck and low action. The great thing about this guitar is that you will also get a whole package with it: a sold gig bag, clip-on tuner, instructional DVD, strings, picks, and polishing cloth. So, you have literally everything you need at a very low price. Definitely one of the best starter classical guitars. It is more than good enough, decent sound and good hardware. Also, you will receive all the accessories you need. And all of that in less than $200. Pros: you'll get a whole package with it. Easy to play. Good sound. Cons: laminate top. Coming in number 1. Yamaha CG122MCH. Here is the first Yamaha on our list. Yamaha classical guitars are definitely among the most popular beginners guitars. Features: body, Meranti, laminate, with a solid cedar top. Fingerboard, rosewood. Neck, NATO. The great thing about this one is that you have a solid wood top. This is especially important in the case of the classical guitar without any electronics, as in this case, the guitar body is the only source of the sound. The guitar has a satin finish. Now, some people believe that only the lower quality guitars have a satin finish. Although sometimes this is true, it is not always the case. The purpose of the finish is to protect the guitar surface. However, it should be as thin as possible, because if it is too thick, it can prevent the guitar from vibrating, and, of course, you don't want that to happen. This is why the satin finish is not always the bad choice. However, you will have to clean this guitar more often. I really like the sound of this guitar. Its tone is very rich and full, and has a lot of lows, making it perfect for both individual notes and the full chords. It is also very comfortable neck. Like the majority of the classical guitars, this one is also very easy to play. This is excellent news for your fingertips. If you are willing to pay a little over $200, this is a perfect beginner classical guitar for you. Its solid top provides you an excellent sound. Besides that, it is very comfortable for playing. So, it has pretty much everything you need. Pros: solid top. Easy to play. Great sound. Cons: laminate sides and back.